Welcome back to the Nature Boys channel. As you know, my name's William, and today, we're talking about something else. Today, it's not an animal, it has a motor, and it's not a dirt bike or a four-wheeler. It's actually a plane. So, my dad got this plane for his birthday one year, and he's been wanting to fly it, but he's scared to. But it's a snowmobile engine, which is actually, you might think is a bad engine, but it's actually a really good engine because this would be the wheel thing, and this would be the motor, but instead it's a plane motor. So these are actually the wings right here. This, I believe, is for the back, and then this is like side, the other side, and for the wings, this is the thing that slows it down. And then actually, if you guys didn't know, this is what a plane looks like before it's even built. This is like just the frame. And there's the wheel. It's literally just this, which is pretty crazy to think about. And these are the wings. Until we got this, I didn't know that it was like that. And also, here is the wing, is the fan. I don't know what it's called. But it would go on like this, right there, and it would look like that. So it would go on like that, and then this would spin, but it's not on, so it's not going to spin right now. We also got to oil it up.
And actually, we actually never flew this.
Yeah, I mean, it's never been flown before. This is just the frame. We still need to get like metal to go over it.
Yeah, I know.
And come here. All right.
Tire spot too.
Yeah, we need to get new tires for it. This is the seat for the plane. So I believe this is up, and then the pedals are down there. Pedals are way down there. Here, I'll show you. Those are the two pedals, and this is the turner and brake. And then this is, I believe, gas and choke, but I don't know. I'm not too positive. So, again, leave a like and subscribe to this video, and don't forget to comment down below if you have ever seen a plane frame like this. I know some plane builders that have actually built this plane, and yeah, the good shout out to you who actually sold us this plane. My mom bought it from you, Dora Hyatt, and well, see you on the next video. Bye.